Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable orders, services, and appointments notifications on Best Buy account. So first we're going to go to the Best Buy app. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on the profile section on the lower right corner of the app. Then next we're going to click on Manage Communications. So we're going to scroll downwards. And as you can see, order, service, and appointments page, there is the notifications, which is not turned on. So we're going to turn it on. So we're going to have order tracking, services, and appointments updates. So that's the importance of the setting. That's how you turn it on. As I told you, guys can find this app in the App Store, Play Store, such as Full Shopping app. So make sure to download it. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.